After an overwhelmingly gloomy week of April, the weather of Southwest Washington finally manifested itself into a true spring day. So, I got started at about 5:30 this morning, and my friend Thomas and I are headed out to the foothills of Mount St. Helens in the Gifford Pinchot National Forest to catch us some beautiful kokanee. Should be fun. So before we start, here's a quick rundown of the fishing setup we'll be running today.
So this is just a normal salmon steelhead reel paired to a kokanee rod. It's braid, but that doesn't really matter. It goes to a sliding weight setup, which then has a 40-pound bumper to this dodger. And then from this dodger, we just go to a pink hoochie, double hook snell, pretty standard setup. Didn't get any bites today on this one though. This one is a casting setup, pretty similar rod. This one instead goes to a lake troll though, so you can hook the weight there, and then these all flash in the water and they create attraction. And then this also goes to a hoochie. This one's red. This one got one fish, but this is pretty much the standard setup, except you can also add a dodger to the end of this lake troll. We might end up doing that next time. Hopefully get a couple more bites that way.
Alright, we got the rods rigged up. Got one lake troll and a dodger setup going. Got a hoochie with double hooks. Using the old corn and tuna to hopefully bag us a bag limit of kokanee today. Explain to us the setup we got going.
Sure, well, we got a nice kayak, Craigslist kayak, outfitted by yours truly. And we got our nice kokanee rods just trolling along, hoping to put some fish in the boat.
Got a fellow kayaker out here making the long haul. We got several cold piggies in the front.
Several cold piggies in the back.
Yeah.
Cold piggies all around so far.
Beautiful day. It's right behind you.
What did I say? I think we were getting piggies.
A little closer. Very little. It's like a smoke. What?
He hooked bad? If not, might let him go.
Let's see. No, he's not.
I'm gonna grab my pliers.
Okay. Let's see here, dude.
You gonna take all? I'll grab them.
Okay. All right.
First kokanee of the day.
Kokanee. He's a little small. We're gonna.
Pretty small. We're gonna try and release him. If he's
Yeah. Hopefully, toss him back.
If he's not hooked very bad, then we're gonna toss him back. Oh yeah, he's gonna go.
Yeah. Hey, first fish before 9, or yeah,
Yep.
before 9. Not bad.
Take a.
There he is. Final look.
Oh, he's bleeding. We're gonna keep him.
All right. Yeah.
All right. Oh well, first fish of the day.
All right. Been about an hour and a half on the water. Got one small guy, as you guys saw. You know, we were here last year over the summer in about early June. Different kayak, different rigs, lake troll and a dodger setup, and that was really productive. It was our first time ever going out. We got about 4 or 5 fish. One escaped, of course. Jumped right out of my lap, but hopefully it picks up a little more. We got a few more hours, you know. Sun's coming out. Hopefully that lake troll starts going crazy. We get some nice fish.
Yeah, been about an hour since our last fish, but there's a lot of time left. Not worried.
All right, just took a little pee break on shore. To be honest, got a little aftershock, a little trickled out in the end, so I'm feeling that right now.
Good pee break, but it's cold as fuck on the land.
Yeah, really cold. Heard somebody caught 5 fish. Yeah. A little banter on the lake this morning. But yeah, we're gonna get back in the water since it's fucking freezing.
We want our 5 fish.
All right, we are headed back to shore after no more luck. Probably appropriate to drink away our sorrows at this point. Well, really nice day out today at least. Got 1 fish, so can't say we were skunked. Overall, good first day of the season. Yep. Summer is gonna be better for sure.
Some might say that's overkill for 1 fish, but I don't know. I think it's worth it.
Let's see what Tommy packed us for lunch.
PBJ. Fruit.
Ooh.
Roast beef. Spin drift. Prosciutto and mozzarella. Cheese stick.
Beautiful.
And that's it.
Alright, so that's the video. Super fun to make. Going camping this weekend. I guess the weekend I'm editing this. So I'll film that, we'll see how that turns out, upload that. I'm just having a lot of fun making these, so if you guys want to watch them, that's awesome, Fishing was a lot of fun. Hope to do more of that. I'm actually building a camper too, so I might put some of that up here. This is going to be kind of encompassing all sorts of fun outdoor stuff, so yeah, super fun.